ZOTAC RTX 5060 Solo launching in May. Everything you need to know. ZOTAC is back at it again, this time with something compact, sleek, and perfect for small form factor builds. Say hello to the ZOTAC GeForce RTX 5060 Solo, launching this May. This new entry joins the RTX 5060 family, following the release of the Twin Edge, AMP, and China-exclusive models like the Nebulae and XGAMING series. And unlike those region-specific cards, the Solo is listed on ZOTAC's global pages, meaning it's heading to markets worldwide. Now, before you ask, no, this isn't a Star Wars tie-in. Solo refers to its single-fan cooling solution. That's right, this is a minimalist, ITX-friendly GPU made for ultra-compact builds. Under the hood, it's powered by the GB206 GPU, packing 3840 CUDA cores and 8 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit bus. Built strictly to NVIDIA's reference specs, it's got a TDP of 145 watts, powered via a single 8-pin connector. And here's a thoughtful touch. ZOTAC sticks with the standard connector, skipping the controversial 16-pin version entirely. Simplicity wins. But don't expect an overclocked edition or a 5060T version of the Solo. ZOTAC has no plans for those, at least for now. So if you're building a small but powerful rig and want next-gen performance without the bulk, the ZOTAC RTX 5060 Solo might just be your next GPU. Like what you see? Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more GPU news and reviews. Thanks for watching.